How to log in into TurboTax account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in TurboTax login and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Go ahead and click on the very first one website option, myturbotax.intuit.com. Open it. With that, you will be directed to the login page of TurboTax. Now from this page, you are able to log into your account. You have to fill this, provide your TurboTax account's credentials, type in phone number, email, or user ID. If you want to remember your user ID, check in for this option of Remember Me. Once you fill this, click on the option of Sign In. Now over here, type in your password. In the case you have forgotten your password, you can use code that will be sent to your email address that is linked with your account to log into your account. Once you fill this, click on the option of Continue. And with that, you will be logged into your account. So this is how you can easily log in into TurboTax account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.